country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Doyin don't come out to come name certain housemate where she go like re-enter the show with, and also Whitemoney don't come out to come mock baby mamas and fans don't react. And lastly, Big Brother don't come out to come give us a run-up of the show where we say they on its way. So Biggie come out few hours ago to come put out this picture program. For there they see say on Sunday 7 p.m. they say meet the housemates, custodian challenge 9 p.m. Then on Monday HOH ballot 10 a.m, custodian lock-in 1:30 p.m, immunity challenge 2 p.m, nominations 8 p.m. Show they actually start on the 28th of this month, which is this week, sorry, next week Sunday. This Sunday wey be say dey come so. For the custodian challenge, they say Big Brother go give the housemates certain tax. Maybe they go tell them say make they keep so secret. The way they take tell Saga that time say make he keep secret, may not tell Nini to say Big Brother give am a tax, may execute the tax without telling Nini. So something like that they related to the custodian challenge. Person wey be say win the tax, now go be the custodian of the particular house. And this particular custodian challenge, the winner go get certain prizes. If he be say na immunity, if he be say go dey avoid punishment on penalty, if he be say go dey gain advantages for future challenge, all of that. Custodian challenge na a way of encouraging teamwork, strategy and leadership among the housemates. Then for the custodian lock-in, it don say the person wey be say wey be the custodian of that particular house, im fit make a particular decision, and that decision go be final. That be the meaning of that lock-in. E fit necessarily be to say if they nominate a particular housemate, person they no fit save the person. That is, the person must undergo the nomination for that Monday where we say the thing dey sup. And for the HOH ballot where we say they talk about, now the housemate they go vote for the next head of house. Housemate go first nominate which person they want to make it be head of house. Then the people where we say they nominate, when they bring all that together, they will come vote. Person with the highest vote, now go come be the next head of house. Unlike before, we say they go play HOH game to take get the thing. This time around, na nomination. Now you go take and become HOH. They go vote rather. Me in particular, they look up to this Big Brother because it go make sense. Just say this period, I'm not go to get chance like that. Stay watch am, but I go watch am and I go drop my update. I go watch am for work. See they drop my update. According to Big Brother, they say na certain subscribers na go fit watch am. If you get DSTV Premium, Compact Plus, Compact, Confirm and Yanga, they go show am for those particular channels for DSTV. Then for GoTV, now for GoTV Super, Max and Jolly Plus packages, now they go show am for GoTV. If you know say you no fit afford both the GoTV and the DSTV subscription, you can actually subscribe your Show Max. They show am live for there. Me na Show Max I go watch am because I go actually dey for work, so now Show Max I go fit use still watch am. So onto Whitemoney matters, we all know Whitemoney dey America and in dey for there, in dey sing that song and all of that. So in come to say they try to toast woman for there, come realize say anybody where he meet na baby mama, anybody where be say meet na baby mama. In come say he no want anything baby mama because he no want raise another man picking. So that statement vex people, especially those who say be baby mama. Even those who not be baby mama, they felt triggered because he not supposed to talk down on baby mamas like that. So we wanna listen to wetin he talk before we see fans reaction.
America, we just see baby go to say baby just get platform again, you know, cover everything. I might not born like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everybody here now, baby mama. Baby mama. The one when the baby mama is about to be baby mama. The one when the baby mama is a baby mama in advance. Baby mama is choke. My man. They ask question, no man no go begin raise another man picking for America.
Whitemoney, you know to say for America, those people they license to carry egbe. If you go there, go do that, they talk that way, they talk, they off you for there. Now you know. The first person here say, so what's wrong in being a baby mama? Another one say, no be lie, it's not a big deal to them. The next one say, you don't ever get woman in your life before, be sincere. One say, don't go fool yourself there so they don't shoe you carelessly. Remember, you are not in Nigeria. Now say Mugu, now waiting you come there for. The way we Nigerians most especially say they talk down on all these baby mamas, and the thing just be as if they not supposed exist among us at all. Getting say some of them, most of them, where we say they cause all these baby mamas, now single mother na raise them. Same Whitemoney. Una remember Jackie B for Daddy I Shine Your Eyes season. I remember that time when Whitemoney they like that girl. She too na baby mama. I don dey even talk am since the society be like this, wey be say if you become baby mama they go wan castigate you, they go the trauma of being baby mama I no even fit explain am, because those women I never be in their shoes, but I be woman and I know what it means to be a woman in this our country. No go dey get belle for man wey be say never marry you, thinking to say he go marry, or maybe you wan use the belle to trap am. Most men go tell you to say before they go marry you, make you born for them, then they go come do the right thing. Na lie o. Make sure say you make decision based on wetin you want and not be based on pressure. As for Whitemoney, e go good make Whitemoney concentrate on im music and leave baby mamas alone. Taking care of a child alone is not easy. What about the baby daddies? Abi they not be human being too? Go always dey talk like woman rapper. So unto Doyin matter, for a recent interview, Doyin come out to come name certain housemate where she go like enter into the show with again if they call her to go back into the Big Brother Naija mansion. According to her, she named the likes of Venita, Ceec and Ike. According to her, she say Ceec na person wey be say she go fit, two of them go really fight and well if they enter inside the house. As we all know, Ceec and Doyin, they don't become enemies since after the All-Star season. Venita on the other hand, Doyin to say yes, say Venita na person wey be say she go fit go head on with for inside the house. Ike too na person wey be say they problematic, person wey be say you keep viewers talking. So make una listen to wetin Doyin talk for una safe.
No, I wouldn't. But if you're going to pick, say, 3 people to be in the house with you, who would you pick? 3 people to be in the house with me. I'll pick Ike. I think Ike is a great entertainer.
Okay.
I think who else?
Five.
No, I wouldn't pick Bayo.
Okay, so that's one of the names.
Ike, I think Venita can also get people to talk. I think
I was going
being on
to
the
say,
show,
but I didn't want to be mischievous.
no, being on the show, she's not my favorite person, but I can be honest. She has personality.
Yeah.
I like people that have personality.
And she's like your foil, because both of you like...
And I like people that can match me. So it doesn't look like anybody's bullying anybody.
Yeah.
Let's match each other's skills.
Yeah.
And I think Ceec.
I was going to say this 2 names, but I was like...
Ceec, Venita, Ike.
Wow, you're really ready for the drama.
I mean, that's really gonna be hard.
Doyin, I no even understand you honestly, because you mentioning Ceec name, you know say you and that girl una not be friends. You know to say you and Venita una not be friends. Why you go dey mention those people name in the first place? If not be trouble you define. Ceec, the time when we say she dey even talk about the matter safe, she didn't even mention your name like that. You don't come out well after the interview where we say she do, you don't come out to come drag her. Why you dey mention her name and that of Venita, they tossing her then you won't go back into the show with? Are you trying to mock them, or you dey try to trigger them, make they come out to come react? My own be say I hope say people are not go bring people wey be say don't go the show before. We don't tire to dey see old faces. We need fresh people for this new Big Brother. I no want see Doyin, I no want see Fina, I no want see anybody where be say be old person before. We want new people, new show. Now wetin we wan watch. We no wan watch olden days. Now take care, una bye.